Oh my god. What happened? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick. I like to make cross-dressing related content on here, so if you enjoy, please consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. So I thought it'd be fun to do something kind of silly for this video. Basically, the idea I came up with was, let's go on Fiverr, let's pay some strangers to Photoshop me into what they think I would look like as a girl. Alright, so we're just gonna hop on Fiverr and try to find 3 different artists at 3 different price points to turn me into a woman. So I think I'm just gonna type in like photo manipulation or a type of face swap. I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of searching to find exactly what I need, because I'm sure there's not many artists that are asking people to turn them into women. So I'm gonna browse through them real quick and I'll come back with the choices that I found. So for the first price point of $5, this one looks promising. I will Photoshop your images, background removal, face swap, retouch, photo manipulation. Okay, so they do some kind of face work, face swaps. Maybe they can do something with my face. So I'll go ahead and order this one. All right, and I found one here for our second price point of $10. I will do image manipulation, photo editing, and face swap. So I have no idea what to expect from these, honestly. I'm just gonna get it, send the picture, and see what I get back. Okay, and so for our final price point of $20, this person will do photo image swap manipulation, NSFW, SFW. Okay, so looks kind of promising, so let's go ahead and order this one. So we'll have 3 different price points, 3 different artists, and let's see what they come up with. Alright, so just for reference, this is the photo I gave them. And this is me with all my makeup in a similar photo. So let's just see how well they do and if they can transform me from that photo into something cool. I finally got a message back from the 3 different artists that I hired, and let's take a look at them. Okay, this is... he named it epic.jpg. Okay, let's see what he did here. Ooh, I like my eyebrows. That's about it, honestly. Okay, let's see. He did this pink lipstick, which I hate that color. It looks like he just smoothed out my skin a lot. He put some kind of female filter on my face because my eyes looks like it has some makeup on. You know, for $5, if I posted this on like Instagram, I don't think anyone would bat an eye. So I think for $5, it's pretty decent. I'm excited to see the more expensive ones though. Okay, so the next one is gonna be the $10 one. Oh my god. What happened? What happened here? Okay. So he cut me out. He didn't really do anything to my face except put like a little blurring filter. But then he's completely swapped out my body. Definitely weird. My body doesn't even like match my face. That'll work. All right, and for the final one, $20 one, I expect something amazing. I expect freaking unicorns and rainbows on this one. Wow. So it looks like he did a pretty good job on this one. It's still weird seeing me all edited like this and how they like it would interpret me as a woman. But let's see what they did on this one. Looks like they put some makeup on. They gave me some boobies, which is pretty cool. And they like smoothed out my skin, gave me some eyebrows. Looks like they kind of did another filter on my face. But yeah, overall, this one's pretty dang good. It's pretty close to like how I would edit. For $20, I think you definitely get your money's worth. I don't know, this is just a silly thing. It's not meant to take it serious or anything. I just want to know what other people would think of me as a girl. I don't know, I'll go ahead and put up all 3 photos side by side and you guys can pick out which one you like the most. I definitely like the $20 one the most. It's definitely the most coherent and he actually tried the hardest, you can tell. Alright, that's the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. This was nothing too serious. It was just meant to be a little experiment and a little fun. And let me know in the comments which photo you like the most, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.